Welcome back, everybody. So, we are going to study the fourth chapter of our Unit 1, that is Diversity in the Living World, Animal Kingdom. Already we studied about living world, biological classification, and plant kingdom. Now, this is about animal kingdom. The most complex kingdom is animal kingdom. It is required to classify the organisms into various categories, into various of you can say taxa, for the easy to access the information, for easy to study, to easy to gather the information. And it's good to arrange all the organisms on the basis of different characteristics so that all the organisms can be arranged properly. Now, the basis of classification. What are the basis of classification of animal kingdom? Arrangement of cells. How cells are arranged? Cells are arranged whether it is unicellular, multicellular, tissues, like so many cells are arranged and form tissues or not. That means whether only cells are there or so many cells are arranged and forms tissues. Then body symmetry, whether the body is symmetrical or not. If it is symmetrical, what kind of symmetry is there? लाइक ह्यूमन बींग हमारी बायलैटरल सिमेट्री होती है, मतलब चलो वी विल डिस्कस मोर अबाउट द सिमेट्री इन द लेटर ऑन इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियोस. नाउ नेचर ऑफ सीलोम. सीलोम मीन्स बॉडी कैविटी. उसका नेचर कैसा है, किस तरीके का है, ट्रू है या नहीं है, दैट इज. Now next is pattern of various system. Various systems means digestive system, circulatory system, reproductive system, respiratory system. What is the pattern? How it is made up of? Now level of organization. Let us discuss about level of organization in detail. What is the level of organization of living organism? Whether it is cellular level of organization, tissue level, organ or organ system level. If it is cellular level, that means the cells are there only. क्या है वहाँ पे? सिर्फ cells के बने हुए हैं. ऑफकोर्स अगर हम एनिमेलिया की बात करें तो एनिमेलियाज आर मल्टी सेलुलर. यूनिसेलुलर तो होता नहीं है, सारे ही मल्टी सेलुलर. ये बात और है कि टिश्यूज हैं या नहीं है. सो अगर सेलुलर लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, दैट मीन्स सो मेनी सेल्स आर देयर which are arranged but it didn't form tissues. Okay, so many cells are there which are having their individual functions and so on. And the example, better example of this cellular level is sponges, phylum Porifera, that we'll discuss later. Now next is tissue level of organization. That means the cells are arranged and forms tissues. That is called tissue level of organization. It is found in the Hydra, the second phylum, that is phylum Coelenterata. Then after that, organ level of organization. There are so many organs are found but not proper systematic organ system. So the organs are found and forms organ level of organization in Platyhelminthes, phylum Platyhelminthes. After that, organ system, most advanced is the organ system level of organization. That means there are so many organs जो कि arrange होके organ systems बना रहे हैं and finally organism बन रहा है. So organ system level of organization are found Annelida onwards. That means Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca and rest of the phylum are having, because rest of the phylum are advanced than Platyhelminthes. तो सभी में क्या है अब organ system, proper organ system level. Then after that, let us discuss a little bit about digestive system. Digestive system हमने यहाँ पे बोला था ना अभी, we discuss pattern of various systems. So digestive system का pattern क्या है? क्या single opening है? That is only one opening is there for the intake of food and egestion of food. Ingestion and egestion दोनों के लिए क्या एक opening है या दो opening है? If it is one opening, like it is there in Platyhelminthes, one opening is there. That is and even in Hydra, that is called single opening digestive system. मतलब mouth और anus की जगह one opening है. And if there are two opening, that means separate mouth and anus है. That is called complete डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, एलिमेंट्री कैनाल यू कैन से, तो एडवांस वाले ऑर्गेनिज्म हो जाएंगे। ऐसे ही सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम जिसमें ब्लड फ्लो होता है, क्या वो ओपन है? दैट मीन्स ब्लड इज डायरेक्टली फ्लश टू द बॉडी सेल्स एंड टिश्यूज, या किसी ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर के थ्रू ब्लड का फ्लो हो रहा है। सो ओपन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम जिसमें ब्लड डायरेक्टली फ्लश आउट होता है इन द बॉडी सेल्स एंड टिश्यूज, किसमें होता है ये? आर्थ्रोपोडा एंड मोलस्का। And rest of the higher organism are having closed circulatory system like we human being, arteries, veins, capillaries होते हैं किसके लिए? ब्लड के फ्लो के लिए। हार्ट जो है वो ब्लड को पंप करता है टू द ब्लड वेसल्स, तो क्लोज्ड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम। That's all for this. Now in the next video we'll discuss more about the rest of the basis of classification. Till that, bye bye.